Well, today it's more me asking a question than providing any experience on how to do something. So I've got one of these True Shopping 5-in-1 multi-tools, which is a 52cc. The problem I have with it is it just does not like to start, and I think there's a few people complaining about them starting. You can see here we've got the primer. You can see it puts the fuel through. Looks fairly clear now. That's obviously all filled up. It's primed. Now if you pull the handle now and it's cold, I mean it has actually been running, it will not start. Doesn't matter what you do with the choke, up, down, left, right, whatever. I put the choke on, it won't start. Now what does work, and obviously I can't imagine this is how these things are designed, you take the spark plug lead off, which is bloody hard to do with one hand. There we go. So you take the spark plug lead off, remove the spark plug, and then I've got a bit of tubing. I take the cap off here, and I put that in there, put my finger over the end, and I fill up this with a bit of fuel, and then I pour it into the bore, like that, let go, fills up, put the spark plug back in, pop the cap back on, and then it fires up. Now, I did actually get in touch with True Shopping at one point, which must be a couple of years ago, and they said, oh yeah, it's a carb, just order another carb. So I did get another carb, and it may well be that is the new carb, because it all does look quite nice and shiny and bright. So I fitted the carb, and it's exactly the same. The old one and the new one behave identically. So if you want to prime it and pull start it, it will not do anything. It will just keep turning over. If you remove the spark plug, put some fuel into the bore, put the spark plug back in, it will start up and it will run until the fuel runs out. You can even stop it and you can start it without putting fuel into the bore. It'll do it fine. But if you leave this for, well, let's just say you trim your grass once a week or once a fortnight, whatever it's going to be, the next time you bring it out of the shed, it will not start unless you put fuel directly into the bore. So is there anybody out there that has any idea what causes that problem? Because obviously this is primed, the fuel's in there. Once it's running, it's drawing the fuel and the air mixture through as it should, but it doesn't do it on the first start. You have to, as I say, remove this spark plug and manually pour fuel in, and then it will run all day. So that has to be a reason why that happens. And why is that happening with this brand new carb, and also with the previous carb? You know, I can put the old carb back on and it'll start, it'll run fine, but it won't start initially. So anyway, if anybody can shed light on that, I'd be quite happy to hear. Otherwise I'll just keep taking the spark plug in and out.